boy Chaotic Kicks, aka Mr. I Rock My Sneakers, and I'm back with another video for y'all. But before we get into that, man, I want to let everybody know that's been rocking with me, man. I really appreciate the love and the support y'all been showing me. The channel is growing. Everybody who has been copping the I Rock My Sneakers t-shirt, I definitely appreciate the love and support y'all been showing. We are growing. We are at 875 subscribers. We are 125 away. Man, I'm telling y'all, y'all have no idea how much this is mean to me. Also, man, if you are new to this channel, please check out the content, check out the videos, then come back. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button, and then also hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I drop a video. But look, before I get into all that, I also want to let y'all know I do have promo codes down in the description below. I am an ambassador for the GOAT Shoe Care, the greatest of all time shoe cleaner. Man, you do need this can right here if you're trying to keep your sneakers A1, fresh, protected, and all that, man. Please go ahead and use that promo code in the bottom, Chaotic Kicks, man, and keep your shoes looking fresh for when you're walking down the street. Also, SOLEPREMISE.com, man, the best sneaker bag in the game. This sneaker bag does hold up to 2 sneakers, man, and it does fit in the overhead bin on the airplane, man. Make it easier for you to travel when you're traveling, either doing personal or business trips, man. So this is TSA approved. So man, head down to the description after you finish watching the video. Go in the description, man. Check out the promo code, and if you like what you see, bro, from the bag and from the spray, please go ahead and use them codes and save yourself some money. Enough of that. We're about to go ahead and get into the video. From the thumbnail, you already know what sneaker I'm talking about. This is the Retro 5 Off-White. This is the most anticipated shoe from All-Star Weekend. We had a bunch of sneakers that has dropped this weekend, from the reverse breads, from the airship pack, LeBron 7s. Man, it was a whole bunch of them out of there. But the most wanted shoe out of all, probably, well, I give it to probably that airship pack. It's probably the one that most people wanted. But also you had the UNC to Chicago women exclusive that also dropped, man. I got a video on that. Y'all can check that out. Unite 3s, you know, both pair. You had the one with the Nike Air on the back and also the one with the Nike Shy. We had those. But man, we had so much anticipated, but boy, about to go ahead and open up this box and get into this review. Man, looking at the box, you can see that we got a red jump, man, and you got a bunch of these Swiss cheese holes, man. There's Jerry the Mouse holes all the way around the box, man. Bruh, get into the colorway of it. The label reads Air Jordan 5 Retro SP. This is a size 5. Retail was $225. And colorway is black, fire red, muslin. Give you a better look at the label. Let's go ahead and open up the lid and see what these sneakers looking like. Stamp up here. You have this clear paper. It says Off-White, and you got a jump man on it, on front of it. But bro, look at this, man. These things are dope, man. They are dope. Get both sneakers out of the box. Quality control sticker in there as well, the green sticker. And now we have it, man. The Air Jordan 5 Off-White. As you can see, bro, I'm about to jump behind the camera and give y'all a closer look at this sneaker so I can break down this review for y'all. So let's go ahead and get it. Starting with the bottom of the sneaker, you see that we do have that piss yellow and also like this translucent gray on there. You get a red jump, man. Turning the shoe to the side wall of it, you get black mud guard. You also have a air vent on the bottom part of it. You got this cement gray shark teeth that I would call it. Also with this material that goes all around the sneaker from the toe box all the way to the butt end. Kind of feels like a crawfish sack, man. If y'all ever been down south and ate crawfish and know what type of bags they come in, that's kind of what this material feels like. You also get a 23 right here. You got Jerry the Mouse hole here. You know what I'm saying? I see you get another one here. On the butt end of the sneaker, you see that they do have Nike Air on here. I think that's a great touch for the first Off-White 5 that they actually put the Nike Air on the butt. You know, I'm digging that. I really wish that I hit on a personal pair, because I would have loved to done an on foot for y'all. But to keep going in the review, you see we do get another Jerry the Mouse hole here. You get another one here, and you do get that Off-White branding stamp that Virgil has on all his sneakers right here. You know, he done plenty of collaboration with different brands, man, as far as Nike Air Max, SBs, you know, but Jordan brand is probably one of the most respected Off-Whites there is, especially the Jordan 1 Off-Whites, man. Those shoes are now going for stupid money on StockX, anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000, maybe even $5,000, depending on the size. But with the review, you get your standard black laces here. You get the black tag here that says Off-White CO Nike C 2020 zip tie. You know, you got that. Other tag right here that says made in China. You see that we get a red lace lock that says Nike. Also this clear lace lock. On the tongue, you see we got a red stitch Jumpman on the tongue part of it, you know. And you get another one of them Jerry the Mouse holes at the top right here. In the back of the tongue, you can see that it says Air Jordan. Reason why I say that is because the red hole cuts off the AN off in the insole of the sneaker. You can see that the shoe says Nike Air in red. Try to get a better focus. There you go, right there. You can see that it says Nike Air in red, and the shoelaces also say shoelaces on it in white. Man, let's check out the other sneaker. The other sneaker does come with 2 spare laces. As you can see, it does say shoelaces on the shoelaces, man. That's kind of something that Virgil and the Off-White, with his Off-Whites, man, he loved to throw these type of strings with them. You know what I'm saying? But basically the shoe is still the same, but we're gonna check the back of the tongue. But this back of the tongue does have the full Air Jordan on it, man, you know. So anyway, about to go ahead and just jump back in front of the camera so I can go ahead and end the video. Man, y'all let me know what y'all think about the Off-White 5s, man. I hope that y'all enjoyed the review. Y'all let me know in the comment section, man, if you went after this sneaker for All-Star Weekend. Let me know if you copped this sneaker for All-Star Weekend. Or let me know if you either plan on going to StockX, GOAT, or any other resale place to try to even add these to your collection, man. But other than that, man, you already know what it is. I want to give a big shout out to Wifey again, man, for hitting this pair so I can bring the review to y'all. And listen, if you're new to this channel, man, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I drop a video, man. Other than that, man, it's your boy Chaotic Kicks, aka Mr. I Rock My Sneakers, and I'm out. Peace.